Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package. We got rear park sensing, backup camera, we do get these nice looking LED lights, we do get rear park sensing with, yep, I already said that, mud flaps with a nice looking rim on this vehicle, blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front, and looking at the front here we got recovery hooks, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does SCM25 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, got under seat storage as well, plenty of door space in the back with storage, USB-C, you do get cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 8 kilometers. Got this nice leather up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, cruise control, digital speedometer, and lane centering. We do get your main screen here with My View, Trip and Feel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, other settings, and vehicle maintenance. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, drive modes, traction, auto stop, auto start, and four-wheel drive cup holders. Some little storage here, nice little phone slot, USB and USB-C. Storage below with a 12 volt. Your basic climate controls at the bottom here. You got your climate controls up above with the nice big infotainment system. Storage here and above with this nice audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM with your audio, obviously. You got your phone connections, your navigation with your phone controls. You got your tow and haul mode with your apps such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Sketch, towing, zone lighting, feedback, navigation. Your vehicle settings can be found here, comm screen, auto hold, and your lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE22613, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.